back to another my channel. I don't think that worked, but hey everybody, welcome back to another video channel. Today, I'm going to be playing Until Dawn with my good friend, Victor. He is, somewhere. He's right here. I'm telling him to say hi. He doesn't have a Skype, so say hi. Say it! Anyway, if you didn't know, Before Dawn is a story of two girls, Hannah and Beth, who, go missing. Well, actually killed. And, me and Victor have been obsessed with this show for a long time. So, yeah! Let's play some Until Dawn. We're not... Okay, it was Friday for Victory. Great. I think I'm using something. What? Me and Victor actually go to school together with that. Yeah. So, he's the one who introduced me to this show, which I am, I am obsessed with it. I think I've seen it like twice. And there's a random guy falling on his face. Oh, my legs don't fit my body. My legs don't fit my body very well. Oh, we were listening to Musical Doodle earlier. I got the cartoon idol and the vampire. Jump in the fall and really got stylish around. Yeah, that's Victor right here. Wait, I can't stand on his head. I can't stand on your head. This sounds really weird. I can't stand on your head. Basically, the objective of this game is to avoid slasher. Sounds terrifying. I know. It is terrifying, actually. But, yeah. Oh. Oh. I don't know what to do with this intermission. Intermission, you have to wait a long time intermission. Like, what is there? The creep, oh, this head follows you. Honey. Honey. Yes. Map is loading. I like standing on heads. I mean, I do. Like, it's... I'm gonna fix my recorder. There you go. And Until Dawn, until 1. I know, I saw that map. We were playing a map, and then you went inside the house, and it just kept saying help. Like, it had, like, the lights, and then the... So, let's get started. So basically now we have to avoid slasher. So, yeah. I'm just gonna, like, stay with... Oh, wait, he's gone now. Oh, okay. I think this is the map. Yeah, see? This is what I was talking about. It says H N D. Hen. So basically now our object is find the wheels. So I've got to find some wheels. I think Victor's doing the wheels. I think I'm doing... Oh, no, he's doing the wheels. I'm doing the steering wheel, I think. Yeah. And then everyone else is doing these. Who's the hero? Wait. Who's the hero? Oh, I remember this, like, it going crazy. Oh, this is so cool. Like this, I always just stay in the house. Like, I don't move because I prefer not to die, thank you. So I usually will hide over here, which I can't right now. And then I'll turn off my light. And then look, perfect hiding spot. Trying to stop it is futile. Now listen again to my musical noodle. Trying to stop you. What the heck was that? Is that just me? Okay, good. That was just me. Whew, that scared me. Now listen again. My unicorn just fell off my desk. I'm scared. Okay, so we found the steering wheel. Okay. I found the engine. Okay. So the gas. Okay. Ah! I'm scared. I have 2 minutes before dawn. Or 2 hours, if you want to say that. No use to continue. He's saying that he's like outside the house thinking, hey. Why is there still light? I don't want there to be light going. Oh, heck no, honey. I'm recording a video, Mom. Slasher's trying to kill me. Honey. No, honey. No, honey, no. Go to my hiding spot. Perfect. Oh. He's like, press E. I'm like, I know that. I just can't see and I don't. Oh, no. What's that? That's a slasher? Hello? Hello? Oh, yes, okay. Flowers escaped. I usually do like a little running montage. Do a running montage? Are they gonna do a running montage? Do a running montage of who survived. I know I'm not gonna be in that montage. I am now. Listen again to my musical doodle. Do 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 do. Musical doodle. Musical doodle. This is so scary. I think there's a glitch where you can go through the window. I'm probably patched. I wonder, like, why can't we go outside? Trying to stop it is you. Do 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 do. Okay, this part's scary down here. Honey. No, I saw something move. I'm going back up. I'm going back up. No. Yeah, defeat the slasher. This one's funny because they have a Bible and like a cross, and you get to say like, "May the power of Christ compel you." That's funny. I want to stand on his head. I want to stand on your head. I want to stand on your head. Now listen again to my musical doodle. Do 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 do. Oh, I'm scared. I can't see anything now. E? Can I press? No. More good. Okay, this is the lightest part right in the house. And there's a creepy just axe. Escape. Yes, this is what I wanted. We are meant to be. Curious pain, a little bit of hunger. I can go a little while longer. She don't say that shining. The reason I'm saying do is because he was watching SpongeBob. He told me he was watching SpongeBob earlier. I was like do 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 do. Trying to stop it as you know. Now let's make it to my musical doodle. Okay, so I've survived until 3 a.m. That's 3 minutes. That's not as bad. Wait, okay. There's my good lights. I got these really cool lights, Christmas lights. He just went in here and did he disappear? Oh, there he is. I was like, what the frick? Wait, yes, okay. Got up here. Hey. Okay, so we survived until 3 a.m. That's really good. Sorry, I'm gonna close my door. I'm probably plugging my mom right now. That was like the quickest round ever. That was the quickest round ever. I see dead people. That was so quick. Now this again. Computer. Computer. 15. He's like, well, I don't spend. I said, I spent 12 hours on the computer. I spent 15. I spelled computer wrong. Oh, wait. These rooms are scary. Yes. Yes. Trying to stop. Trying to stop. It is you. Now, listen again to the musical doodle. Oh, where am I? I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm in the wall. Okay. Next round. I only have like 2 more minutes recording time. She fades away. She don't say. Okay, I'm following him because he has really good gear that can like fight off the slasher. I have a light. Okay, I'm like, may the power of Christ. That's it, honey. What? Oh no! What the frick? Okay, I'm just gonna like end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like, please like and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye. Okay, bye now.